In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create hamburger menu in Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com, click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account. Or you can also log in by clicking onto this login option that we can see right here. Just choose between those two and then log in. Now, we will use WordPress to host our Elementor, so make sure to sign up for an account there as well. Now here is my actual WordPress. So head over to the pages, scroll down and then locate the page that you wish to edit. I have in here this About Us page. Just head over and click onto this Edit with Elementor option. Now here it is. The next crucial thing that we need to do is we just need to use the navigation menu widget. Click onto this plus icon in order to add an element and click onto this search widget. Search in here for navigation. We have in here this full navigation. You can also head over and search for a menu and we have this nav menu. Just head over and then drag and drop it either on the header or any part of the page. Now the crucial thing about this is that it's available only on the Elementor Pro, so make sure to click onto the upgrade option in order to upgrade for the Elementor Pro subscription. Now if you have it, you can just head over and then on the content tab, choose the desired menu that you created on your WordPress dashboard, and in the layout section, find the mobile drop-down and set it to hamburger or toggle options. You can use the style tab to customize the appearance of the hamburger icon, the menu items, and the background on the drop-down menu. You can actually use this right there if you would want, and then just edit it, and you should be able to have a hamburger menu onto your WordPress site, either on the desktop and as well on your actual mobile breakpoint. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.